want to talk about industrial uses here in the city, specifically a proposed project which people refer to as the Ninigret project. This is on land that is zoned for some industrial and some commercial use. The land is between 700 South and the future Highway 193, and then on the west it's 2000 West along the high school there, and then on the east it's 1000 West. There's been a lot of worries that I hope to help you understand. First of all, Ninigret as a company has been very good to work with. They have worked with the citizens that live along 700 South to create a residential buffer. So instead of putting buildings along 700 South, they will be putting some homes that will buffer the high school as well as the residents that live around there. As far as industrial development in the city, we do not want industrial development scattered throughout Syracuse. The area that we currently have set aside for industrial development is the area that I've talked about near the high school. And in that area, it is only going to be light industrial, which means that you won't have smokestacks, you won't have steel mills, you won't have those kind of things that could be dangerous for our community. Truck traffic is one potential danger. We have worked with the developer to make sure that all truck traffic will enter and exit toward Highway 193, which is going to be a major roadway just about completed that will extend from 2000 West all the way to Highway 89 up along the mountain. So we're going to make sure truck traffic goes out onto that road and does not enter into Syracuse neighborhoods. The developers of this industrial area have been very good at working with Syracuse City in developing rules and guidelines on such things as lighting, sound, traffic patterns, and what goes on inside and outside of the buildings. If you ever hear that this is going to be another Freeport Center, I don't believe that at all. Ninigret builds some quality buildings, and if you go look at their parks down in Salt Lake City, those are areas that have been there for 20 years and are still very nicely kept. And Ninigret is a community partner that I think is valuable to us. There's some very important economic benefits to the proposed Ninigret development to our city, our county, and our state. And the community and economic development departments in those areas have come together to work on some proposed numbers. They believe that we will have an economic impact to our city of over $50 million by this development coming into our city, as well as over 1,000 good, well-paying jobs. That may or may not be people that live in Syracuse, but regardless, those people will hopefully leave work and go and shop at our stores and eat in our restaurants. It's my hope that we'll be able to get some sit-down restaurants in Syracuse because we have people that are working here. The restaurants that we have tried to recruit have told us that they need to have a lunchtime crowd in order to locate here, and that's what we hope to get as part of all the benefits that comes with this kind of development.